In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate an average in Excel. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to find the mean of a set of numbers, whether you're working with grades, sales figures, or any list of values. First, click the cell where you want the result to appear. It's best to choose a blank cell so your result doesn't overwrite existing data. Now, type the formula exactly like this: equals average, then an open parenthesis. In other words, start with the equals sign, then average, then the left bracket. As soon as you type it, Excel may suggest the function and display a tooltip explaining what it does. It returns the arithmetic mean of the numbers you provide. Next, highlight the numbers you want to average. You can click and drag across a continuous range, like from B2 down to B10, and you'll see Excel build the reference for you, something like B2, B10, inside the parentheses. If the numbers you want aren't next to each other, you can select one group, then hold your modifier key to add another group, or type additional references separated by commas, such as B2, B5, D2, D5. While selecting, take a moment to confirm that you're choosing only the cells you need. Excel automatically ignores empty cells and text entries, but it will include zero values, which can lower the average, so make sure that's what you intend. When your selection looks right, close the parenthesis. That completes the formula. So the full pattern is equals average, open parenthesis, your cell range or ranges, and then close parenthesis. This structure tells Excel exactly which numbers to include. Now, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel immediately calculates and displays the average in the cell you selected. You'll notice the formula remains in the formula bar, so you can click the cell anytime to review or adjust the selection. If you see an unexpected result, double-check the highlighted range. If you get a divide by zero error, that usually means there weren't any valid numeric values in the selection. A couple of quick tips to keep your results accurate. If a number is stored as text, often indicated by a small indicator on the cell, it won't be included in the average. Make sure your values are true numbers. Also, if your dataset updates over time, referencing a range like B2, B100 lets the formula continue working as you add new entries within that range. That's it. Choose your result cell, enter equals average, highlight the numbers, close the parenthesis, and press Enter. Simple, clear, and dependable.